Ayan na po ang more crispy lechon. Titikman po natin yung texture niya. Ito tayo isa. Local texture, physical appearance, the golden brown. Wow! Thank you. Good day everyone! Magluluto po tayo ng more crispy lechon or roasted pig na all-time favorite Filipino dish ng ating mga kababayan. Kaya samahan niyo ako para magluto ng more crispy, more tender, more sarap! Good morning mga kayami at itutuloy na po natin ang pagtitimpla sa ating lechon na more crispy na atin pong gustong ibigay ng mga recipes para sa mga ating manonood na sana gusto natin magustuhan ninyo yung aking mga sumasayaw sa likod yung ating mga nilagay na recipe. Gusto ko lang sana na mga kahigan joke lang, mga kayami na na maging more crispy itong ating best lechon. Itong ating best lechon ay stuffed lechon na native stuffed lechon na nung binigay kasi sa amin ay medyo crispy naman po siya pero gagawin po nating more crispy. Yan, good morning. Ganda ng namin, camera namin. Pagising namin, so tutuloy po namin tong pagmamarinade. O kasi tawag nilang 3-hour marinating period. Ito na po, sisimulan po tayo. Kailangan lang natin of course ng lechon. 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of black pepper granules. McCormick garlic. And simply pure canola oil. Let's start na.
Pakialaman ko po yung vlog niya. Magluluto daw siya ng lechon. Puro na lang lechon. Hindi siya nagsasawa. Lechon din naman ako. Nagsasawa sa lechon. Puro lechon na lang. Lechon.
So this is the lechon baboy or the roasted pig. It is an all-time favorite Filipino fiesta dish that you can't resist. It is the rib part of the lechon. This is what I said that you can't resist when you saw it in the table. Your diet is gone, and when you smell this mouth-watering dish and the aroma, wow, it's like heaven. I personally obsessed with this dish. So let's start. First, we must slice the lechon or roasted pig into tiny pieces, or a little bit bigger with that. So let's debone the meat first. Most lechon can either be cooked based on the two main versions or mixed techniques from both. Both variants also rub salt or spices onto the skin to make it crispier, as well as continually baste the lechon as it cooks. Sometimes carbonated drinks may also be used. They are cooked on a bamboo spit over charcoal for about 4 hours with constant charcoal, traditional manual turning. The pig is roasted on all sides for several hours until done. The process of cooking and basting usually results in making the pork skin more crispy, and is a distinctive feature of the dish. The leftover parts from the lechon, such as the head and the feet, are usually cooked into another popular dish like lechon paksiw. So like lechon itself, lechon paksiw also differs based on whether it is prepared which ethnic do you belong, like Luzon style or Visayas style, with the former using liver sauce as an essential ingredient, with the latter does not. In some cases, these parts of the stale lechon can be repurposed into another dish such as sisig lechon. So we are here to make more pork skin crispier feature of the dish. Lechon can also be cooked as lechon kawali, um, sisig lechon, lechon paksiw, like that. So let us also put that in our mind that this pork dish is very famous in several regions of the world, most especially in Spain, where the colonial possessions of the Philippines, where they were throughout the world. The Spanish word referring to roasted, which is a popular food in the Philippines. The dish also, look at that, look at the fats. Wow, such delicious. The dish features a whole roasted pig cooked over charcoal. Additionally, this is popular. So we are making charcoal here in the Philippines. Mm, so this is a native pig. They stuffed with seafood. So this meat, we will make it more crispy or crispier. These variations, we stuff also lemongrass, onion, pineapple chunks, ginger, garlic, and other more. Also bay leaves, also magic syrup. So we add also a brown sugar, uh, vinegar, breadcrumbs, garlic and onion, which typically cook over wood fire. Let's see. So we continue to slice this meat. However, we will see the meat of the lechon will be cooked on fire. So they said that the lechon is delicious. The most delicious lechon is being cooked in Cebu. So no, I think it's in the Isabela and Cagayan. Lechon being roast. Lechon is also being roast in one of the lechon stores in La Loma, Quezon City. So they say that this lechon is the most delicious, and MILA'SLECHON also. In most regions of the Philippines like Cagayan and Isabela, it is also pronounced as litson or lechon, prepared throughout the year of the special occasions, birthdays, festivals, holidays like Christmas. Although it is acquired in pre-Hispanic origins in Spanish name, as pigs are one of the native domesticated animals cultures, and we were carried throughout the way. So as we continue slicing this piece of meat, wow, look at that, look at the rib bone stuffed with different herbs, scallions, bay leaves, black peppercorn, garlic, salt, tanglad, lemongrass, among other spices. We also added salt, vinegar, silimansi, soy sauce, calamansi, and labuyo chili. As we are in Luzon, we are usually just using salt and pepper and stuff with just bay leaf herbs. Others in Manila part, they use different kind of ingredients. Lechon sauce is made from vinegar, brown sugar, salt, pepper, mash, liver or liver spread. Lechon. Look at that. Look at that meaty, tender, juicy part of the lechon. Wow. I like that. As we debone the part of that lechon, the rib part. Lechon. So we are making this native roasted pig more crispy or crispier than ever you could ever taste. So come and let us cook this roasted pig more delicious. Kailangan lang natin of course ng lechon, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper granules, McCormick garlic, and simply pure canola oil. Let's start na. Ito lang ating gagamitin. Salt, garlic, and pepper. Ito lang po natin gagamitin ha, para matansya po natin ang exact measurement. Ganyan lang. Prito na po tayo ngayon ng ating lechon crispy more. Ano lang po ang gamit namin for more crispiness, juiciness, tenderness, ito lang yun. kailangan po natin ng tawag na ano ito?
Tong pati tong kitong.
Minute po na.
Dati kasi dyan.
Tong kitong.
Tong.
Habang ano, pwede mo tayong kumanta. Pakita ko dito.
Ay, ako. Gusto na kita.
Nagkatawa ka ng ina.
Ang nagkakaduwa ah.
May kalak ka na. Ito, nag-react pa ni Bobo.
Yeah?
May Clorox ka naman.
Hindi ba? Lalo ka dito. Ayan. Mga kahigan.
Yummy.
Yummy po.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ayan. Look at that. Wow. Crispy. Tenderness, yung smell, the aroma. Wow. Look at that. Can you tell me what is that? Wow. Ayan na po ang more crispy lechon. Titikman po natin yung may texture niya. Ito tayo isa. Look at the texture, physical appearance, the golden brown. Wow! Thank you. Golden brown, more crispy lechon. Sarap.
Crispy, sarap.
Best.
Sarap, best. Sarap. Best electron paksiw.
Tika.
Pa.
Thumbs up for her. Wow.
Just coffee, cold coffee. Parang El Macchiato coffee.
Sarap.